Do you want to turn on dark mode on TikTok? You can instantly change your app theme to a dark background to make browsing much easier on your eyes. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To turn on dark mode on your TikTok account. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Once you are on TikTok, make sure you are logged into your account. Then tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on the three horizontal lines menu icon in the top right corner. Once the menu opens, tap on Settings and Privacy at the bottom. This will open your settings menu page. Scroll down to the Content and Display section, then find Display and tap on it. On the Display Settings page, you will see options for both light and dark themes. Tap on the dark to select it. The entire interface will update instantly, switching your background to a dark look. You can also toggle the switch to match your device settings if you want TikTok to change automatically with your phone schedule.